My beloved student, welcome to all in this live class. You will also study today about the chapter 4 part 3 because I have also completed in the beginning class about the part 1 and the part 2. In this chapter, you have also studied about what is the map, what are the classification of the map, what are the difference between the map and the globe, which types of the problem faces for the drawing of the map. Now, we will also study about a reading of the map, under the reading of the map, language, features, direction of the map firstly. What is the language? You know, a map also studied or the read according to the language or that means given language or the words for the measurement of the distance, mapping, etc. So we will also study about on the base of language, features and the direction of the map. Language, that means you can also use of in the map a language that means German language, Roman language, Hindi language, etc. For the example, some areas also has measured on the local level according to the regional divisions of the world. So some area has also studied according to the English or the Roman language use of for the map. For the example, physical map, political map, and the thematic map. So these types of the name of the map given according to the Roman language. But in the Hindi, these types of the term also used for this map making a भौतिक मानचित्र, राजनैतिक मानचित्र and विषयक मानचित्र. So use of the language for made to the map. Features. There are so many features of the map. That means we know about the map required different types of the components. For the example, a map has also required a flat plain paper, a required divider. That means these types of the divider also required for the measurement of the map. Use of the tape, chain for the measurement of the distance from the one place to another place. Pen, pencil, different color, size, measurement of the different instruments for the map. That means theodolite for the survey. Use of the chain and tape, plain table also required, nail also required, and some people's ranging rods, flag. So many items for the required for the making of the map. So these are the so many features of the map. A map is also formed or made on the plane surface, but use of the different things on the natures and given different types of the symbols for those types of the map. For the example, we will also learn in the conventional symbol about these different types of the components. Distance, scale, and the title. What is the meaning of title? Title means given the name of the map, a different parts on the earth whose seen and measured shows on the map. So these are the features. Now main important things is a direction of the map. Already you have also studied and known about the direction. Directions means disha. You have also learned by the father, guardians, grandfathers, grandmothers. For the direction, there are mainly 4 directions. First, it is also direction. Direction. There are 4 types of the directions. First, just a imaginary line I have also drawn on the blackboard. In the upper portion or the needle shows on the map north. It is also known as the north. But opposite direction, that means bottom of this line, is shows the south. So there are 2 directions you have also seen on the blackboard, north and the south on the map. But your face, when on the north direction, then your right hand shows the east direction and your left hand shows the west directions. So there are 4 directions known as the coordinate direction. But when the 4 directions joined in the center, so this center is known as the coordinate point. It is also known as the coordinate point. It is also known as the cardinal point. Here is known as the cardinal point. Cardinal point. It is also known as the cardinal point. But between the 2 directions, main cardinal directions, these are the cardinal directions, north, south, east and the west. But when the 2 cardinal directions, middle portion divided into 2 parts and shows the 4 other directions who made from the center towards the other direction. So those directions known as the intermediate direction. Any directions also divided into 2 parts. One is the cardinal direction and another is the intermediate direction. So cardinal direction, there are 4, north, south, east and the west. But between the north and the east direction, one directions also you can show. suppose that here, in this figure, this is the north, here is south, here is east, here is west. But between the north and east, a one direction also marked by the cartographers. It is also known as the northeast directions. Here is northeast. But between the south and east, another directions, it is also known as the southeast. But between the south and the west, another directions, these directions is known as the southwest directions. And these directions is shows the between the north and west, it is also known as the northwest directions. So there are 8 directions shows on the map, cardinal direction and the intermediate directions. But you know, and you have also learned by the grandfathers or the grandmothers, and you have also learned or the here about the 2 directions also added in these directions, a upper directions and the lower, yani up and the low, above and the bottom, niche, depth. So there are, you can say, 10 directions may be possible, and other direction also may be possible, but for the map making required are the needs, these types of the direction 8. So you have also learned about the directions. Now we will learn about the scale and the distance. What is the scale? I have also in the beginning class or the before class discussed about the some points of the scale. What is the scale? Scale means a ratio of the distance between the map distance and the actual distance who measured on the land. That means relation and ratio of the map distance and earth distance, actual distance on the earth, distance on the ground or the earth, called the scale. What is the scale? That means relation and the ratio of the map distance and the actual distance who measured on the ground or the earth, known as the scale. So scale is equal to map distance by earth distance. So these are the relation or the between the ratio measured, it is also known as the scale. So there are 2 types of the scale only found or the identified are the given by the scholars a large scale map or the large scale and the small scale. Large scale means Brihat Paimana, and small scale means Laghu Paimana. It is also given name in the Hindi. So, it's a large scale used for the mapping a small areas. When a small area or the field, you have also a level, and though that lands, if you want to show on the map, then you will also use of the scale, large scale. Why? In this large scale, you will also learn, suppose that 1 cm is equal to 4,000 or the 400 kilometer. Suppose that. So this scale is known as the large scale. So you have a paper. Suppose that you have a small land available. These areas A, B, C and the D. Suppose that these are the small land you have also available. So these map are the area when you want to show or the measure with the help of scale, then you can also show the 1 centimeter is equal to 400 kilometer. That means it is also, suppose that you have also available the 800 kilometer areas. So only you will also show the 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter or any 2 centimeter on the map. 2 centimeter length, 2 centimeter widest and 2 centimeter length. So this map will be small, but area of you have also available the big size, but you have also scale very small. So you will also use of the scale any large areas. For the large area, use of the measuring a small scale. For the large areas, use of the scale small scale map, and the large scale map used for the small areas. Now we will learn about now you will also learn about the methods of the showing scale on the map. First is the statement method. Statement methods, that means you can also give the statement for the map. Suppose that 1 cm is equal to 1 km, or 4 cm is equal to 4,000 km, or 1 inch is equal to 4 miles. So these types of the statement of the scale known as the statement methods of the scale or the measuring of the land. And the numeric methods, that means a method we use for the measurement of the small or the smallest areas. Suppose that it is also known as the representative fraction. Suppose that you have also given, you will also learn about this. 1 inch is equal to a 12 inch is equal to 1 feet. 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. And 1760 yard is equal to 1 mile, or 1 mile is equal to what are the centimeters? That means 1760 multiply by the 3 feet and convert into the feet and then convert into the inch, 12. So therefore, you will also found 63,360 inch. So you can also say 1 mile is equal to 63,360 inches. And if you want to convert a kilometer, then you will also remember about this. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, but 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 100. It is also convert into the centimeter. So therefore, you will also found 1 km is equal to 1 lakh cm. So, in these numerical methods, you can also use or make the different types of the scale. So, it is also known as the numerical methods for the measuring of the scale. So, you can also give the methods or the formula RF is equal to MD, any map distance, by earth distance. So, suppose that you have also area available, 1 inch is equal to 5 mile. These are the methods of the statement methods. It is, you also convert into the RF, then you will also found 1 by, that means RF is equal to MD by ED. MD is the 1 inch and ED is the 5 mile. 5 mile to 5 mile also convert in the inch. Therefore, you will also found is equal to 1 by 5 inch into a 1 inch. 1 mile is equal to 63,360 inch. So then 5 mile, that means 5 into 63,360. So when you will also multiply, 1 by inch will be cut, then 5 in 0, 5, 0, 5, 5, 6 ja, 30, 0, 5, 3 ja, 15, and 3, 16, 18, 8 by 11, you have also hand 11, and 5, 6 ja, 5, 3 ja, 15, and 11, 15 and 11, 5, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5 हो गया, 30, 0, 3, 5, 15, 3, 18 काट हो जाए, 1, 11, 1, 5, 15, 1, 16 पीछे हो जाए, 1, 5, 36, 31. That means is equal to RF is equal to 1:316,800. So these are the so many statements also given for the scale. And linear scale, if you want to show, then you can also show the 1 centimeter or the 1 centimeter width, 10 centimeter, suppose that 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and it is also divided into several parts in the equal parts. Suppose that it is 0, here is also 10, or the 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and even the 10 centimeter. It is also one portion 10, and you can also set these types of the scale. You will also found given in your book. So it is also there are so many methods used for the mapping of the scale, and the different conventional symbol also you have also given in your book. Just suppose that rivers, canals, temples, So many also hertz, etc. These types of the identification, different types of the symbol on the international level and fixed by the cartographer. So these are the so many parts of this map. Thank you.